Hi, when you create a list in SwiftUI containing a header, you can make the header collapsible. In this example, we have a SwiftUI list containing 3 different sections. In each section, we have a header. So here we have earnings for May, we have enrollments for May, and ratings. So the list shows the headers and detailed content. In some cases, you may want the headers to be collapsible. Let's look at what is contained in each section. So when I expand each section, you can see each section contains a navigation link and the main content for the section. When you embed the content for each section in a navigation link, you can click on the content to navigate to details page. For this example, the details page contains nothing, but the main purpose of this video is to make the 3 headers, rating, enrollment for May, and earnings for May collapsible. So let's fold this section again. Then we select the list block. To make the headers collapsible, we need to use the list style modifier in SwiftUI. So let's apply it here. There are different types of list styles. To bring each one of them, let's put a period. So you can see we have automatic, grouped, insert, insert group, plain, and sidebar. Each will give a different result. For example, let's select plain. With the plain list style, we remove the background of the list, so we have only the header and the main content. Let's put the period again. To make the headers collapsible, we have to use the list style sidebar. You can now see for each section, we have a chevron icon that points downwards. So we can tap each section to collapse it, and then tap the chevron icon again to expand the header. So this is how you can make a header in a list collapsible in SwiftUI using sidebar for the list style modifier. Thanks for watching this video.